Hello friends, today I am going to share you the solution of this particular problem which is related to set theory. However, I am not going to use any particular set theory mm, concepts to code this particular problem. So see, what is the very quickly we will see the problem definition. It is Mr. Anant Akshaya is the manager of the Infinite Hotel. The hotel has an infinite amount of rooms. One day, a finite number of tourists come to stay in the hotel. The tourists consist of a captain and an unknown group of families consisting K members per group, where K is not equal to 1. The captain was given a separate room and the rest were given a room per group. Mr. Anant has an unordered list of random be arranged room entries. The list consists of the room numbers of all the tourists. The room number will appear k times per group except the captain's room. Mr. Ant needs you to help him to find the captain's room number. The total room number, the total number of the tourists or the total number of the groups of families is not known to you. You only know the value of k and the room number list. So input format for here will be the first line consists of an integer, the size of the each group. The second line contains of the unordered elements of room number list. So we will check the sample input very quickly. So input as per the input format, the first line consists of the integer k, that is 5. Here they have shown the size of the each group, which is the size of the each group. Then the second line contains the unordered elements of the room number list. So basically, the second line will be containing a particular list where the room number, where the members will be using the keys for their room numbers randomly. So see, first we will try to understand the logic behind this coding. Then we will go to the coding section. So see, from here we can see that there are total six number of total, I mean, the numbers are although repeated, but if you consider in terms of the particular number, then you'll find there are total six numbers, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 8, not the six numbers including seven numbers. So here you can see if the group member is having multiple members, if the group particular group is having multiple members, then the definitely the key numbers or the room numbers will be repeated. Likewise, one has been repeated, one see, two also has been repeated, three we can see the repeated numbers, but only for the captain's room number, since the member captain is only one, a single individual, so the room number for him will be repeated only once, which you can see from here 8. So basically what we need to do from here is that we need to use, or we need to count the number of occurrences in this particular list, which is a random list. Okay, so to do that, I'll show you the coding. Here is that I have used counter to count the, basically what we need to do, we need to count the number of occurrences for particular number. So I have used the counter. So I have coded from collections, I have imported counter, and k is the integer input, which is the number of, is indicating the size of the each group. And next n that is indicating a particular this list, which is a random list which will be taken from the user. And now I have used the counter method to count the number of occurrences. So I have initialized with the counter with the dictionary. Then I have counted the, actually this length of the list is not required over here. I'll quickly delete this. Then I have applied a simple for loop, that is for I in the dictionary, because once you use assign this counter to your list, that is this n, the number of occurrences will be assigned to the number of occurrences will be assigned to the particular numbers. Like I'll try to show you. So if this is big counter of n, then let's do a print here and print this. Now I'll run the code. Let me check. So see here, as you can see, the output over here is like this is the key and this is the value. So one has occurred 5 times, two has occurred 5 times, three has occurred 5 times, and six has occurred 5 times. But eight is the only one which has occurred only one time. So once you apply this method to your list, it will create a dictionary and it will assign the number of occurrences to the particular numbers. So now I am going to delete this particular line which I don't need. I just typed it to show you, make you understand. Next, I have used a simple for loop, which is to find out the number of occurrences. If the number of occurrences of that particular element is 1, then I would print I. And this is what I have done. And let's run the code. It's taking a bit time. Yeah. So the test cases got passed. We will now submit the code. Let's check if all the test cases are passed. I think it should work now. Yes, test cases zeros is remaining. Let's wait for that. Yeah, all the test cases are passed. So this was the solution of this particular problem. Thank you very much.